Tags are a powerful tool to help you segment your contact list. They can be applied to contacts that aren't on the same list, and then you can filter your contacts by tag to group them together for targeted email or SMS communications. An automation path can be used to apply or remove tags from your contacts automatically as they complete a specific step in your path. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how it all works. While working on your automation path, look for the Contact Actions option on the left-hand side. You can then click and drag to pull the Add or Remove tag option into your path. To select the tag you want to add or remove, click the three dots here and then choose Edit. Choose either Add or Remove, and then choose a tag from the drop-down menu. Click Save when you're finished. It's that easy. When your automation path is activated, the tag is automatically added or removed from the contacts who reach that step in your path. Try it out today with Constant Contact.